How to see your Spotify receipt. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can see your Spotify receipt, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to see your Spotify receipt, there could be two types of receipt. One is the music receipt for your top tracks and top albums. The other is a receipt for your payment on Spotify. To view either of these, simply open up your browser, and to get started with the first one, come to receiptify.herokuapp.com. I will also make sure to drop the direct link down in the description box. Once you come here, make sure to sign into your Spotify account and just choose for what you want the receipt, whether for your top tracks or top album or whatever else you prefer. As you do that, right at the bottom you'll see a cool little receipt for all of these songs that you listen to and so on. Now this is not a thing really necessary, but if it's just a kind of cool thing that you can do to show your friends. Now the other type of receipt you could be talking about could be your payment receipt for Spotify, and to do this you have to simply go to spotify.com from your new tab or from your browser again. Make sure to tap the gear icon from the top right hand side and then go to view account. When you go to the view account tab right over here, if you basically scroll down, here you'll find account overview. Tap on it. From account overview you have to switch to receipts tab, and when you switch to receipts tab you'll be able to see all of the receipts that you've ever made and as well as the payments on Spotify. This way you can see your Spotify receipt. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.